Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Challenger LS, stock reference number 5588. The shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic or four-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grills, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, ARB bull bar with all bolts and brackets, left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet appears to have no damage. It does have a pair of aftermarket extendable mirrors. It does have tech screws holding them on though. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has two large dents. Aftermarket steel bumper bar, tow bar with jerry can holder and spare wheel holder. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has five small dents, right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard with snorkel, TJM, AirTech type with all fittings. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, aftermarket touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.